Instead of using the built-in sound recorder in Windows, you can use a sound recorder called Audacity or Audacity. That's a free freeware program. You can download it on the internet and install it. I think you've got it on the school's computers. Just start Audacity and press the record button. Question number 1. Do you think Ted was a reckless person? Why not? So, now I have read the question. Then I can stop and I can try to find the answers. And when I have found the answer, I just place my cursor at the end of the question. I can even give this track a name. Q1, question 1. This, just place the cursor behind the first soundtrack, and then I can record a new track. No, I don't think Ted was a reckless person, because he just did as he thought was the best. Then I've got an answer for question number 1. And I can give it a new name, A1, answer 1. So this is a sound editor and sound recorder. So if there are areas on the recordings you are not satisfied with, you can just mark them and delete them. And you don't delete it with the delete button, I think. Yes, you do. You can mark and use the delete button to move it. Then you see that you have a gap here. You can adjust this by using that button and just drag this track back. So, then you can add question number 2. Place the cursor at the end of, you have to have this tool at the end of this track, and question number 2. How did Ted and Joseph celebrate their parent-free night in the beginning? Okay, this must be question number Q2. Then I can find the answer for that and just press the rec button. In the beginning, Ted and Joseph celebrated their parent-free night by eating a lot of chips, drinking a lot of Coke, and watching DVDs. Answer 2. A2. Then you can rewind and listen to all your recordings. Question number 1. Do you think Ted was a reckless person? Why not? No, I don't think Ted was a reckless person, because he just did as he thought was the best. Okay, you understand? And if you aren't satisfied with a track, you want to add more to question number 2, for instance, just put your marker here and just add more. This is it's a bit difficult to listen to the other tracks when you have to turn down the volume on the other tracks in order to avoid listening to yourself when you add something new. I just delete this one. I think you understand this. I think you can manage when you have practiced a bit. And when you are finished, it's very important. If you want to continue this work, you have to save it as a project. But if you are finished, just export. Okay. You can export it in OGG. That's alright. And give it a name. Questions. Page 184. It's very important that you export it. And if you don't save it as a project, you can't edit it. You can't change anything in it later. So if you want to use it later, you have to save it as a project. Like this. Okay, thank you. Bye.